So both of you are already aware of the course. The course is surface chemistry, and the course code is 777, CHM 777. And this course is basically explaining about the soft systems, surfaces of soft systems. Most of the time when we study the surface chemistry, we are more concerned about the solid surfaces. So in any case, whether it is a solid surface or it is about the soft system, the surfaces are important. So when we are looking at surfaces, we are either looking at a surface or an interface. Okay, so in liquid systems, the interface even become more important. And by definitions, they have some differences, but both of them are actually surfaces. So you are already aware of what we mean by the soft systems. We are talking about the systems which involve surfactants and these type of materials, especially the surfactants in solutions, where the surfaces become even more important. And then we are also talking about the systems in which we have oils and oils in water or that type of system. Or we are talking about solid materials when they are in their colloidal forms in solutions. Okay? So basically in this course, we are discussing that type of systems in which we have either a solid surface or a liquid surface or an interface between a liquid and a solid or a solid and a solid or a liquid and a liquid and that type of situation. But we are more interested in the liquid systems. So if there is an aqueous system, that will be something that we will be more focusing on now. If there is something else, we will look at that too. So if you look at the title of this lecture, it says the world of neglected dimensions. So what do you understand by a neglected dimension? कोई आपको any ideas in your mind about the neglected dimension? Why we are calling it the world of neglected dimension? So it all started with the world of neglected dimension, which was described by Wolfgang Ostwald. He called the world of colloid and surface science as the world of neglected dimension, and it was in 1915. And sometime it is called a twilight zone, that is, which is existing for a very short time, and it lies between the extremes of atoms, molecules, and bulk materials, which is also a kind of property of the surfaces. If we look at the classic atomic theories and bulk solution theories, they often fail to interpret these regions. The reason is that there are so big changes in these zones or in these zones that the normal theories are not able to explain something abrupt or something big which is happening in these particular part of the systems, that is the surfaces. So if we look at the normal matter, all of it is constituting of atoms and molecules, and bulk materials are also constituting of atoms and molecules. But the atoms and molecules which are present at the surface are different from those which are present in the bulk, and we will see that gradually when we progress in the course. So that's why usual classic atomic theories and bulk solution theories are not able to explain these regions of these abrupt changes. Okay, you understand that? हमने ये पहले भी डिस्कस किया हुआ है, लेकिन just to have an idea of what happens. If you have any questions, so you can ask during this discussion. Now, these areas are important for biology, medicine, material science, and petroleum engineering. So that is in case of biology, we are just looking at the big colloidal systems. In case of medicine, we are looking at the different delivery systems, as well as we are looking at how the different medicines can be converted or solubilized into systems which can be easily delivered. In case of material science, we are again looking at colloidal materials and colloidal methods for the synthesis of materials. And in case of petroleum engineering, we are looking at the systems in which the recovery of the petrochemical from the ores is enhanced. That is, enhanced oil recovery processes takes place. So in interdisciplinary reach, we are it means that surface chemistry of these type of materials is involved in all kind of situations.